In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Odoo to N8N, a powerful workflow automation tool that can streamline many of your business processes. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to easily integrate Odoo with N8N and create seamless workflows that can save you time and improve efficiency. First, you'll want to start by heading over to your Odoo account. Once you're logged in, locate your profile icon, which is usually situated at the top right corner of the interface. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Preferences. This is where you can customize various aspects of your account and enhance your user experience in Odoo. After entering the Preferences section, look for the option labeled Account Security. This area is crucial because it's where you manage aspects related to your account's protection and how you interact with Odoo across other platforms. Within Account Security, you'll find a subsection called Developer API Keys. This functionality is essential for enabling external integrations like the one we're about to set up with N8N. Next, you'll need to create a new API key. This key serves as a secure token that N8N will use to communicate with your Odoo account. In this case, label your API key as something descriptive like N8N integration. Giving your key a clear name helps in identifying its purpose, especially if you end up generating multiple keys for different integrations or users. Once the key is created, make sure to copy it immediately. API keys are not always visible after creation due to security practices, so it's vital to store this information safely to use in the upcoming steps. Now, let's switch over to N8N. If you're not already logged into your N8N instance, go ahead and do so. Navigate to the Credentials section where you manage the configurations needed for various integrations. This section is critical because it acts as a bridge between N8N and other platforms, such as Odoo in our case. Here, you'll need to provide some key information. Start by entering the site URL. This is the web address where your Odoo instance lives. It's important to get this URL right to ensure there are no hiccups in connectivity. Then, enter your username associated with Odoo. This should be the same username you use for accessing your account. Now, remember that API key you copied earlier? Paste it into the field designated for the API key. This will act in place of a traditional password and is crucial for securing the connection between Odoo and N8N. Finally, you'll need to input the database name for your Odoo instance. This specifies which database N8N will connect to and is essential for ensuring the data flows to the correct location. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're now set to create dynamic workflows between Odoo and N8N. Make sure to test your setup and watch how automation transforms your day-to-day operations. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out with any questions as you optimize your business processes.